I'm going to go over some of the math vocabulary for this week. And this is building on the vocabulary from last week. First, let's talk about lines. So there's some different kinds of lines that we should know about. So there's a straight line, a curved line, and you're welcome to try to repeat this vocabulary as you watch this video. So straight line, curved line. Here is a horizontal line. And we get the word horizon. If you know what the horizon is, the word horizon is related to the horizontal line. If you don't know horizon, you should look it up. It's just Horizon. See what you find. The vertical line is not showing here for some reason, but it's a line that goes straight up and down. Here is a diagonal line. Then we have angles. So here, this image is showing you a 90-degree angle. So a 90-degree angle is basically straight up from the ground. If you're looking at something from the ground, if you're going straight up, like building a wall, then you would have a 90-degree angle. And then this one is showing a 45-degree angle. And so that angle you might see that angle on a roof of a building, like a house. And there's lots of other angles. These are just a few. Shapes. First, a square and a rectangle. So in a square, all the sides are equal. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So you see this side and this side are equal to, and this side is equal to this side over here. So that's called a rectangle. A circle, and this is called an oval. Oval. It's a circle that's kind of squished one way or the other way. It's not a perfect circle. And then two words that are related to circles. First is diameter. Diameter. And that is measuring from one side to the opposite side, going through the center, is called the diameter. Diameter. And then if you measure all the way around the circle, that is called circumference. That's a mouthful to pronounce. Circumference. The last thing we'll look at here is graph. So these are graphs. So the plural is graphs. A graph is also called a chart or a diagram. Here you have a line graph. And that's because we have a line that shows the information. So it's called a line graph. And this one is called a bar graph because these are called bars. So each of these is a bar on the bar graph. So I hope this information is helpful for you, and it should help you complete the quiz this week. One last thing that I want to show you that was not working correctly was here, the vertical line. So here's a vertical line. It goes straight up and down. That's called a vertical line.